Your AI agent just returned a perfect status 200 OK. Your dashboard shows 0 errors, but underneath the surface, your financial data is a beautifully formatted hallucination. Welcome to the 200% plus validation overhead trap. This is where standard Python SIs fail. Because they don't understand system dynamics, they use massive LLMs just to check other LLMs, tripling your operational costs. Your scalability is dead, buried under a mountain of variable token taxes. The June 2026 bank MRM standards are official. Legacy statistical metrics tell you absolutely nothing about runtime hallucinations or semantic drift. Traditional Python scripting cannot track these complex behavioral failures. But where scripting fails, true engineering survives. Enter the Bongsane AI C++ engine. We bypass the token tax entirely. By treating AI safety as a deterministic geometric invariant, our engine utilizes left null space linear algebra to eliminate logic threats at the latent layer with 0% token cost. An industrial-grade sub-24 millisecond kill switch, guided by a deterministic 4-state machine, closed, degraded, open, half-open. It automatically isolates rogue agents the exact millisecond error thresholds are breached. Absolute runtime resilience, executed in native C++. No variable billing surprises, no unpredictable infrastructure overhead. We compile the entire control topology into standalone, immutable C++ binaries running inside a lightweight Docker image. The result? 0 bot validation cost, guaranteed sub-24 millisecond latency, and $0 in software licensing fees for your production environment. The era of fragile playground toys is over. Stop funding obsolete Python models. Secure your enterprise architecture with industrial-grade control theory. Put down the scripts and deploy the engine.